Guys, my name's Castiel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make alien strawberries. So, like, you're going to cut the ends off of the strawberries.
Choose really big ones.
Choose really big ones, so then you can make really, like, fat aliens. It'd be really funny. If you want to have nerds, if you have some at home, you can use them. Or sprinkles, your choice. But, so, and you need white chocolate, any chocolate you want really, but you need to melt it first in the microwave. And you're going to need big strawberries. But to cut it off, you're going to need a knife.
Why do you cut the bottom off?
So then they can stand.
That's it, otherwise they fall over, don't they?
And just go boom.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you. So you're going to go like that, and then...
Sorry, let's just move that so you can see. There you go. Okay. Does it stand up? No. Do it on the table so you're not flicking it. That's it. There you go. Right, so now stand it up. There,
Yep.
perfect.
It stood up.
All right.
So
What did we buy to help with it?
We bought some, like, googly eyes. And
You can get them in Asda, can't you?
yes, you can get them in Asda. Horns, ears, mouths, noses.
Yeah. All right, so show them what you're going to do now.
So, first I'm going to take a strawberry, okay, and I'm going to dip it in.
Put it a little bit closer to you.
Like that. And then I'm going to take it out and put it on, there, like
That's it.
that. And then I'm going to choose what I want to put on, like googly eyes or something. And then I'm going to put them on my strawberry. Just like that. And then make them look really weird with something. If you want to put far away eyes, you can put really close eyes. And also, you can put kissy lips
You're crazy.
on. Right. And then we're going to take, if you want a horn, do it whatever you want. You don't have to copy or anything.
So what's that you got there?
Horn?
So you dipped it into the chocolate a
You dip
little.
Yeah, and then
You need your adult to hold your strawberry, don't you? So you
Yeah.
can stick it in. Otherwise it moves. There you go. All right. Are you going to use some of your nerds?
oh yeah. Just one.
All right. And would you like to turn that around so we can see what it looks like? Okay. I'm just going to move this. So bring it up. Do it close up. That is just
No,
weird.
it is.
Okay.
No,
All right.
it's
So you
weird.
carry on and do a few more. So people
And then
can.
you're going to do the same on the other strawberries. Just like that. And then take it on. Whenever you put a horn on, you're going to need your adult or your brother if you have one, or sister, dad, or whoever you're with to hold it if you want to put a horn on.
Yeah.
So then it doesn't move.
What's that you got there? His eyes dropped all the way down. You need to put another eye on him. Oh my days. You can have so much fun doing this, can't you?
Yeah, because you do get really messy, and you love, if you really do like getting messy, then you get messy for them.
Okay.
Try not to, because
Are adults allowed to do it?
yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So can I come and do a couple with you?
Yeah.
Awesome. So can I just choose any
Choose
strawberry?
Any strawberry you
Yeah.
want.
Okay, thank you.
eyes as ears. And then ears as my eyes. Lovely. And 2 ears.
These are quite cool, these, aren't they? There's a nose in here as well.
Oh no,
Look.
there's noses.
I didn't know there was noses in here.
Noses.
I'm going to choose a blue unicorn horn.
I'm gonna choose a moustache.
This is really good fun.
I know, it really is good fun.
Oh, my ear's slipping off.
Don't slip off ear. Naughty.
And then
I'm actually chucking the level.
just realised.
Huh?
Okay. You put ears where his face should be.
I know. And then eyes and ears.
Look, I've got a really strange unicorn alien.
And I've got a really strange one.
Yeah.
I've got 1 eye and no, I've got a 3-eye one there. One sank down, so I put one there and one on the moustache there.
Can I use this really giant one?
Oh yes, I'm using this one. That means,
Okay.
Nanny, look.
And the nice thing about this is they are so good to eat afterwards, aren't they?
Like-
so, a little bit naughty and a little bit healthy.
Strawberries and then
Strawberries healthy, chocolate naughty, but not too naughty, is it?
Yeah, so it's not too naughty or too good. So, but they taste really good. I'm doing this one.
This is really good fun, isn't it?
I love doing this.
Shall I turn that around so you've got a
I
bit more
wish
space?
I wish I had this idea. Wouldn't that be amazing?
Whose idea was it?
I said I wish.
How amazing is your nanny?
Really good. Nanny, look at my alien with 10 eyes.
Oh wow. I'm going to show people what they actually look like.
So I spin them.
Slowly, yeah. So there are our weird and wonderful chocolate strawberry aliens. Aren't they
And that
cool?
one is very funny. I actually really like it. Really. But that one got in a ton of a mess.
Yeah, it did a
when I was
bit.
doing that.
But that's fine.
I like that one really. This
Yeah.
one here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Really. This one's really funny.
It is good fun doing it, isn't
It's
it?
got strawberry leaf hair and nerd hair.
Go.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you really like doing it with us. Subscribe, watch more of our videos, and I shall be back soon. Bye.